More whiz.
Oh shit.
Go on by. Hello, lovely horses. It's the most serious head I've ever seen. Ever.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Jay.
Right.
Never seen him this serious before. Don't worry, I'll edit it. It's tough going by, look at that stuff. You can just walk on it, never mind being on the bike. Never mind being on the bike. Like.
I'll try it again.
Here we go on this one. He's up and at it.
If you just don't get your balance right,
Yeah.
get going,
Yeah.
you're at not.
Yeah.
Good fun though.
Yeah, it looks cool, man, but they said it takes some skill to do it, like.
I'm rusty as fuck. I am useless. But it's good crack on the same. I enjoy
Yeah.
it. But hey, look.
It's nice to have it though, to get a few minutes out and just do something different, isn't it?
Well, I'll tell you what would kill you. If you've done a competition like that, a 2-day trial or something,
Yeah.
you would hate. It's like a hard training
Knockily
session.
tires there.
Well, I'm going to give that one more go.
One more whiz.
Oh shit.
What do you call that again? A trials bike, is it?
Trials riding, yeah.
Trials bike. Yeah, trials bike. Trials bike. Not a trials bike, a trials bike.
But you can get children riding it too. No, honestly, you can. You
Oh,
get
yeah.
50cc ones for kids.
Yeah.
Right.
He's so serious. So serious. I can't deal with it. Okay. Super serious Paddy. Like, he's crazy serious. Like, I've seen him like this, but he loves this. It's great, isn't it, to do something like that? Just blow off a bit of steam or whatever. Class. You can't think of anything else. That's why it's great, because you can't think of anything else. You have to totally concentrate. It's like biking, but this is a different level. So it's a trials bike. Trials. Go on by. Okay, one more go, and then I'm going to show you some presents that Paddy got me over in the UK when he was doing his Triumph Museum tour and Triumph Experience, and he was in a couple of other. He was in the National Motorcycle Museum as well. I'm not sure exactly where it is, but yeah, he got me some cool presents. I'm really delighted, so I'll show you them when we get back. Yeah, he got up there. Too busy filming myself. Yeah, sometimes you have to admit defeat, and that's just the way it goes.
If you don't admit defeat, you're going to end up in E&E.
Yeah,
sometimes.
And then you can try another day.
Oh no. Do you know what? I'll come in here tomorrow evening, I'll do that any amount of times.
Ah, sure, you know yourself, when you're on film, sure, these things don't work.
There's tits or tires to wreck your head. Right.
Ah, sure. Back to the lab. Back for tea. And I'm going to show you then the presents that I got. And one of them is linked to tea. But there's another one. It's going to be going... Yeah, I'll show you when I get back. We'll be heading in the road in a while then as well, so... Happy days. They know there's sheep in the field. Okay, so... Let's reveal the presents. So... I'll show you this one first. There's a badge. So Triumph Bonneville badge, if you can see it there. Nice pen. I always use a pen. Work from home, so there's a pen. National Museum, if you can see that properly. Yeah, National Museum. And then this is unreal. My first Triumph patch. I'm gonna get that put on my jacket. and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I never even thought about having a try-on patch, man. Paddy's a great guy. I should be buying him presents, to be honest. But yeah, and then we have a placemat, or a coaster, as we call it here in Ireland. Or do we call it that? I don't know. Ooh, nearly dropped the mug. Okay, so the mug is great, fantastic, and I'll tell you why. Because of my classic bike calendar. So if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I've talked about it on here before as well, but I haven't went into depth on it. But definitely if you follow my Facebook and my Instagram, you'll see I love classic UK bikes. So this cup is going to be well used with this coaster and all that kind of stuff. So really happy, Rebel. Paddy's looked after me big time there.
Sounds like no. Greetings, kids.
Lovely horses. How's it going? Never mind me. Looking for a lock. Well, there's water anyway, so that's a positive. Alright. This is Bannon Lough. So the description I just looked online is a single arch rubble stone road bridge over a stream. I don't see a road bridge anywhere. But anyway, circa 1800. And then it's the sighted spanning stream with a grass bank to the stream, an attractive if subtle feature of the townscape of Kill. The traditional construction in an unrefined rubble stonework, so the civil engineer and heritage significance of the composition is identified by the shape of the arch, which has retained its original profile. So I don't know what that means, to be honest with you, but it's a beautiful lake and it's a lock on the points that we need. So that's what we need. Yeah, so there's nothing or nobody else around here. It's so quiet, so serene, it's beautiful. So this is the road adventures point parts that you really enjoy when you find places like this. Look, it's just a beautiful lock. I'll get my mug out of the way for a second. So look, some ducks there I think as well. So just beautiful. 20 minutes out the road, absolutely beautiful. Not a huge history to this place, but it's a point anyway on the road adventures. And then we're going to go out to the Dunmore Road, but on the way out I've seen a stone wall, so we're going to stop and get that. I'll show you that as well. I've showed you in previous videos with the stone wall, but I'll just give you a quick little look again if you haven't seen it or if you're only joined the channel. We're going out to Dunmore, out to Kennedy's pub, and I've seen a cool, no relation, and I've seen a cool Guinness sign there as well. So let's hop on out of here. Is a dry stone wall. Here's the Guinness sign. I spotted this last week. Thought it was cool. Has my name in it as well. My second name. Obviously my second name is not Rebel. Actually I will get seasonal flowers as well. That could be it for today. Just to end this video, I'm going to get my jacket patched now, and I'll show you in the next video when it's patched. So I'm looking to get it maybe patched up here, but we'll see what the final result will be. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.